unit operation in fish canning. The major operations are raw material handling, pre-cooking, filling, exhausting, seaming, retorting, post-process handling. And first of all, we see about raw material handling. In raw material handling, we should eliminate the fish with high bacterial load and do not expose the fish to high temperature. Choose our fish from same lot. Temperature storage of the fish is by sprinkled salt, but sprinkled salt is not suitable for sardine. CSW and RSW, we can store the fish for 4 to 6 hours, in ice 8 to 10 hours, and it's stored in freeze in bulk or cold storage. Next we see about grading. The grading is based on quality, size, species and color. Nowadays the automatic grading machines also available. Next we can process through the pre-treatment. In pre-treatment, the dressing include scaling, heading, excretions, filleting, butchering, bleeding. Dressing yield of finfish is about 70 to 75%, the shrimp 40 to 50%, the oyster 10%. Next we see about beheading. In beheading, straight cut and V cut all there. While we cutting in straight cut, the yield is reduced. While we cutting V cut, they have more yield. Nowadays, for deheading, the machines are available. After we can see filleting. Filleting is nothing but removal of complete muscle structure from the each side of the fish. Filleting is done by either machine or manual. After the filleting, skinning and descaling takes place. It is mostly done by the machines. Washing. The washing has soaking, agitate, drum wash and spray wash. The spray wash is a mostly economical one. Blanching. Soaking in condition or flavor agent which help to remove the blood and slime. It improves the texture and taste, gives shiny appearance. It is a very major role for conditioning of the fish in fish processing. Blanching methods. Cold blanching. Soaking in NaCl or salt 15 to 25% to improve the texture and the flavor of the fish. Example, sardine. Hot blanching. Heating in low strength NaCl. It inactivate and prevent discoloration. Example, prawn and vegetable. Acidification with citric acid prevent neutral compound formation, prevent discoloration and off flavoring. Then the major role is pre-cooking. The pre-cooking has two types: before and after cooking. Before cooking, steam, cook and pack. Example, tuna. And after cooking, pack and pre-cook. Example, sardine. Pre-cooking after packing is good. Why? The pre-cooking after processing, it minimizing handling, and while draining, it avoid the spilling. While pre-cooking before packing, average fish in griller and it be cooked. Cool and air dry by vacuum dryer is preferable. Sometimes oil absorption takes place. Prevention. CMC and tripolyphosphate 1%, which reduce 20 to 40% of steam cooking. If there is under blanching, the water will dissolve the protein. The cloudness of the brain due to the oil water emulsion. The overcooking of the fish leads to affect the color, flavor and texture of the fish. The pre-cooking is done by steam, water, oil, hot air or smoke. The partially dehydrated flesh which help to string gauge and easy for filling and which help to remove the natural oil from the fish, which help to remove the strong odor in the fish, and it's also help to reduce the Oil water emulsion. It helps to expel the respiratory gases from the tissues and give desirable texture and flavor, and it's also inactivate the enzymes that causes discoloration. Pre-cooking is differ from species. Shrimp. Hot blanch pre-cooked after packing. Sardine and mackerel cold blanched pre-cooked in steam. Tuna. Pre-cooked in steam under pressure and salt added while filling. Sardine and shellfish cold blanched smoked before canning. Pre-cooking losses. Water release from the protein in fish 15 to 30%, in tuna 17 to 18%, in sardine 19 to 34%. The moisture is 60% is ideal for canning. The losses takes place in lobster and crabs are to coagulate protein and break of tissues. Oyster and clams to kill the animal to help to open the shell flesh. Loss is about 10% due to leaching of soluble protein and nutrients. Filling is an important major operation in canning. Before filling, clean can to remove dust. Drit. Salt zinc chloride used as a flux. Filling. Fill correct weight. Leave uniform headspace about 4 to 6 mm. Maintain the correct solid to liquid ratio. Types of filling. Hand filling. Labor consumed in sardine cannery 53% filling, 37% dressing, 2% pre-cooking, 7% finishing. And the hand filling mostly help to give a neat product and it's suitable for highly valuable fish. Machine filling drives certain volume of rather than the weight. It is suitable for sardine, tuna and salmon. Effects of filling. Under filling is paneling. Container will force inward due to the low pressure such that high volume create the problem in labeling. Excess air accelerated container corrosion. Overfilling or buckling. Container bulge due to low vacuum in the can. It's difficult to add additives and cause deformations, and it's create a microbial spoilage appearance while we see in outer portion. Additives. Brine is a common additive. 3% salt solution or salt pellet. Uniform penetration takes 3 days enhanced to flavor. It helps to reduce curd formation in salmon and mackerel. Oil. Oil is an principal additive. Vegetable oil, olive oil, cottonseed oil, sunflower oil are the common oils were used in the fish canning, and the mechanical oil dispenser suitable for sardine, herring and tuna. Tomato sauce suitable for oil sardine, mackerel. 20 to 30% of solid content, should not lose color. Other additives are carboxymethyl cellulose, which means CMC, monosodium glutamate 1.6 gram per kg with sugar and salt, vegetable and spices. Exhausting. Create partial vacuum before sealing, which helps to remove air from content and headspace. Avoid excessive stain on the steam. Remove oxygen, prevent internal corrosion and rancidity. Provide concave appearance due to vacuum. Exhaust box. The cold fill cans are passes through the steam exhaust with clinched end before sealing. Clinching. The partially secured to the can body by a single seam on opposite side, which keeping the end sufficient to allow escape of air. Heat exhausting is good for vacuum pouches. Methods of exhausting. Three methods: heat, mechanical, steam. Heat exhausting. Heat the can content before sealing, air expels. Content expand and water vapor replace the air in headspace, seal and cool. The amount of vacuum depend on sealing temperature. Mechanical exhausting. Mechanical exhausting: fill cold material, seal using vacuum sealing. It's suitable for canning, but it is not suitable for flexible pouches because partial vacuum collapse the pouch and prevent further escape of air. Two stage for sealing a flexible pouches. The first is seal small area and drown the vacuum and seal finally. Steam exhausting. Blast of air injected to a headspace through a port around a seaming head of the double seamer. The steam blow air away and create a vacuum. Effective of product packed in liquid reliable exhausting temperature is 60 to 70 degrees Celsius. Sealing. Sealing of cans. To restrict microorganism entry done by double seamer, delay leads to loss of vacuum. Pouches. Fuse to thermoplastic material by heating using heated press plates or jars, hot bar sealing or impulsive sealing. This is the can or a pouch sealing system. Double steaming. Hermetic seal between the can body and can end done by two seaming rolls and chucks. Cover hooks. First edge folded, outer edge curled around the lid. Body hook. Cover hook compress and flatten to 5 thickness metal truettes. Can washing. Washing the spilled oil, brine or sauce from can. Use mild soap or detergent. Sodium polyphosphate 1% at 80 degrees Celsius. Washing schedule. Pre-wash. Spray fresh water at pressure. Wash. Spray mild detergent, resin. Spray with fresh water. If no can washing, contaminants clog the retort. Problem in labeling, rusting or corrosion due to loss of lacquers. Thermal processing. Time temperature combinations influenced by acidity of the food, number and type of microorganisms and their heat sensitivity, condensity of the food. Aims of thermal processing: cook the food, destroy chemical enzyme, destroy microorganisms causing spoilage, achieve commercial sterility, eliminate of spores of Clostridium botulinum capable of processing toxin at anaerobic condition. Statistical sterility: complete destruction of microorganisms by sterilization. Commercial sterility: destruction of growth of viable microorganisms of public health significance. Reproduction of microorganisms of no public health significance. The sterilization is done by vertical and horizontal slit retort. Cooling: kill thermophilic bacteria, prevent overcooking, prevent loss of flavor. Use 5 ppm chlorinated water which be calculated Q is equal to 100 into X by Y. X is required ppm, Y is available chlorine percentage in stock sodium hypochlorite, Q is quality of sodium hypochlorite to be added to 100 liter of water. Types of cooling. There are 3 types of cooling: air cooling, water cooling and pressure cooling. Air cooling, it is an cheapest method of cooling. and it is very simple. The disadvantage of air cooling is more floor space is needed, overcooking and discoloration. Water cooling: spray water at pressure, passes through a long water tank immersed in a long tank with water flow. Keep in tank. Rotate at 120 rpm speed. Pressure cooling. The pressure cooling method is the best method of cooling system. The sudden release of pressure causes excess strain to reduce pressure, introduce water along with compressed air from the top of the rotor safety valve, release the pressure rise, slowly reduce to internal pressure of the can. Drying. Liberation of heat from cans. The surface of the cans are dry. Then the cans are passed through the black air. Coding. Label carrier code. Avoid damage of labels. Process. Pinhole formation of corrosion. Code contains measure content, name of the canner, date of production. Labeling. The label should be attractive, aid to identification, provide composition, preservative, brand, manufacturing address, specific inspection, The can should be in cool and dry place, not in extreme temperature, not in humid condition, allowed to mature, good sanitary conditions. The proper cooling prevention stack burns, retention of heat in a stack, spoilage or deterioration in quality, accelerated corrosion, texture, flavor, odor baby changes. Thank you.